There's about 600 new startups in Israel every year, and it's really exciting working with them. We want to further catalyze the market. Israel is an amazing place with amazing innovation. We want more.
We're hosting partners such as accelerators, academic institutions, municipalities and others for a very intensive 1 week. We're helping them with several topics such as business development, marketing, technology, minimum viable product, with a goal and a mission to help them form their ideas into commercial products.
So us being partners with Google means that we come here for a few days and we get amazing facilities and content, amazing mentors from the industry that teach the teams and our startups and entrepreneurs how to take so many steps forward just within a few days.
It really matters and it's really important, and real people, real mentors, real UX experts from Google are coming and spending time with them. So I think it gives a real sense of reality and the fact that it's not just an academic program.
So here at Google Campus you can always find the answer. You can get advice from different people in the industry and you'll never stay with a question mark. I'd recommend coming and pairing up with Google to any entrepreneur, any startup.
I think it's a great idea and we're really proud to be one of the first teams to do it.